Hey guys, so we have here one of our natural nipples for our Philips Avent baby bottles. And in this case, this is the number 2, and this size is a little bit too small by now for us. So instead of getting a bigger number, so number 3, or purchasing a number 3, we want to just open up the opening of these nipples just a little bit so that it gets a little bit more flow that is right around the corner of a number 3 nipple. So how do we do this? So let us have a really close look at the nipple here of the number 2. This is on the left side, and the one number 3 on the right side. So the right side is just a little bit bigger. So both of them are like trilobed, have some trilobed openings, but the right one, the number 3, is a little bit bigger than the number 2. So all we have to do is make this opening, these cuts, these trilobed cuts of the number 2 a little bit bigger in order to get the similar flow of a number 3. And you already see that these are really literally just small cuts, so there's not really a hole where the milk or liquid can flow through. So the purpose of these cuts is so that the liquid doesn't just leak out when you hold the bottle upside down. So only if you put some pressure on the nipple, then the cuts will open up and create an opening so that the milk can be sucked out, or just the suction will open up the hole here just enough so for the liquid to come through. So since these cuts are so small, I'm just going to make one single cut instead of making all 3 of these cuts bigger. I'm just going to make one of them bigger because this is so small you cannot really see this. It's really difficult, at least for me. So I'm just going to try to make one cut first, and then we're just going to try it out and see how well this adjustment of the nipple is going to be received. So you see, I'm just going to take my knife here, this blade, and I'm going to make a cut of one of those into one of these openings, one of these cuts. So I'm going to make it a little bit longer, so almost all the way through here to the first edge that we have here. So now if you squeeze this, then you can see how this is now opening a little bit more than it used to before. And again, we're not really cutting literally a hole in here because we don't want the nipple to just leak when we hold the bottle sideways or upside down. So we really want to make sure that the nipple is not going to leak after our adjustment here. So if we take a really close look again now, then you see here how the nipple is still basically closed when there's no pressure applied to it, and only if you squeeze it, then it's going to open up and let more liquid through than a regular number 2. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.